CBSE Mathematics Class 9 Surface area of a cuboid and cube. Cuboid. Base. Any face of a cuboid may be called the base of the cuboid. Lateral faces. The four faces which meet the base are called the lateral faces of the cuboid. Solid cuboid. A solid cuboid is a part of space bounded by the six faces of a cuboid. Cube. A cuboid whose length, breadth and height are all equal is called a cube. Solid cube. A solid cube is a part of the space enclosed by the six faces of the cube. Total surface area of a cuboid. Area of face ABCD equal area of face DCGH, that is L into B square centimeter. Area of face AEHD equal area of face BFGC equal B into H square centimeter. Area of face ABFE equal area of face DHGC equal L into H square centimeter. Total surface area of the cuboid equal sum of the areas of all its six faces, that is 2 into L into B plus 2 into B into H plus 2 into L into H centimeter square, that is 2 into LB plus BH plus LH centimeter square. Lateral surface area of a cuboid. Area of face AEHD plus area of face BFGC plus area of face ABFE plus area of face DHGC, that is 2 into B into H plus 2 into B into H plus 2 into L into H. 2 H into L plus B, that is 2 into length plus breadth into height, that is perimeter of the base into height. Surface area of the cube. 2 into L into L plus L into L plus L into L, that is 2 into 3L square, that is 6L square, that is 6 into edge square. Lateral surface area of a cube. 2 into L into L plus 2 into L into L, that is 2 into L square plus L square, that is 2 into 2L square, that is 4L square, that is 4 into edge square. Summary. Total surface area of cube equal 6L square. Lateral surface area of cube equal to 4L square. Diagonal equal root 3 into L. Length of all 12 edges of the cube is 12 into L. Total surface area of cuboid equal 2 into LB plus BH plus LH. Lateral surface area of cuboid equal 2 into L plus B into H. Perimeter of base into height. Diagonal of the cuboid equal root of L square plus B square plus H square. Length of all 12 edges of the cuboid equal 4 into L plus B plus H. Find the surface area of a chalk box whose length, breadth and height are 16 cm, 8 cm and 6 cm respectively. L equal to 16 cm, B equal to 8 cm and H equal 6 cm. Surface area of the cuboid. 2 into LB plus BH plus LH. 2 into 16 into 8 plus 8 into 6 plus 16 into 6, that is 2 into 128 plus 48 plus 96 centimeter square, that is 544 centimeter square. Second question. Find the surface area of a cube whose edge is 11 centimeter. Total surface area equal 6 edge square. 6 into 11 into 11. That is 6 into 121, that is 726 centimeter square. Thank you.